Alright, so ang tawag rito, just going to follow up with yung ginawa natin last time. At tinatamad na ako mag-English kasi naubos na English ko last week dun sa, well, this week dahil dun sa isang video na ginawa ko. Anyway, saan ba yung Project Euler? Alright, Project Euler, we're already at project problem 14. So the following iterative sequence is defined by set of for the set of positive integers n equal n to n over 2 if n is even, n to 3n plus 1 if n is odd. Using above rule, starting with 13, yun yung magiging sequence mangyayari, and it can be seen that this sequence contains 10 terms. Though it's not proven yet, this saw that all starting numbers finish at 1. So which starting number under 1 million produces the longest chain? Okay. So, yeah, let's produce a quick class. Problem 14. So, output lang niya eh. So, diretso na tayo sa ano. Kailangan natin mas object-oriented. So we have our tawag rito, so habol natin kasi is yung longest chain. Longest chain length is 0. And ito yung magiging longest chain natin. Danahin sa story yung longest chain natin. And wait. Diba? Chain length. Constructor na nilalagay ito. So, initialize natin. Siyempre, longest length is 1. This one. Start equals 1. Siyempre, start tayo sa 1, diba? Then, time to calculate. Equals to current less than or equal to limit under 1 million, so less than limit. So we're going to throw out yung chain. So this is the calculation. Ito na yung actual calculation ng chain. Pero point na rin sa chain lengths is chain lengths contains yung ating diba? What? So we're going to pass our yung mga chain lengths. So starting with 1, when you reach 1, ang length niya is already 1. Okay. So yun. We're going to run through yung sequence. Pag nakita na siya na nag-i-exist na sequence, so for instance, calculate natin si 8. Pag galing ka kay 16, nag-run ka dito sa sequence na to, nakita mo si 8. So, you start at 16. So, divide by 2. Si 8, ang value niya is 4. So, you could tell na yung value ni 16 is 5, yung length niya. Kasi nga, na-calculate mo na beforehand yung length nung mga previous. So, this is faster. Pero yun at the cost of memory. So, for each item, you're going to store it. Pero I guess 1 million integers is 2 million integers. That's just 2 meg of memory. That's nothing. A lot of databases can handle a lot more than that. Pero, yun. So, this approach is yung tinatawag ng dynamic programming. And essentially, basically, dito na yung memoization. So, memoization, hindi siya memorization. It's memoization. Kasi mini-memo mo yung previous So, yung memo natin is yung hash map associative array. So, calculate chain. So, while current chain lengths dot contains so as long as hindi niya nako-contain, tuloy lang yung calculation. So, length starts with 0. And then, starts with 1, syempre. So, if current percent, so modulo 2 is equal to 0, it's even. Current equals current over 2. current over 2, so length equals, so plus na, palitin na natin yung ating calculation, else length equals 3 current plus 1. PEMDAS. So otherwise, ayan, kung length is equal, kung na-contain na yung key, so we're going to add it. In length dot put current, then length plus not current, working. Premature optimization. So current, working, and chain lengths dot get. Of course, medyo siya, hindi siya ganoon ka-efficient, considering na you're going to recalculate kung tumaas ka. Pero mamaya na yan, it should be easy to fix. It should be easy to sabihin na natin i-optimize. Pero I think ang difference lang rito is, well, hindi lang kailangan I don't think we need to really optimize it that well. Idea kasi doon, you're going to create an array, then kukunin mo lahat ng values ng array na yun, then yeah, kunin mo, store mo sa array lahat ng mga dadaanan mo, then at the end doon mo na ipoput yung laman ng yung array, yung mga respective values yung array doon sa chain lengths. Anyway, regardless, let's go ahead and run that. Longest chain length is less than length longest chain start equals then yeah, tapos kailangan natin ng simple. Still without the print length. String starts. We can create our own method. Then 14 equals to Diretso na tayo 1 million. Oh, that's so. Pagod tayo ng so it's still calculating, so it's possible na karoon ng isang infinite loop. Yep, there's an infinite loop. So si 7, yeah, who cares? Hindi na kailangan alaman yun. Let's na tayo sa 1 million. Siya na mabagal. Alright, let's do this. May stop. May stop ng ano. Ayan, release na lang para tamad eh. Add rent. Wala tayong length. Ano sana stop eh. Yun na nga, ang panamaya, bye. May stop Java API. Ano yung kanyang parent class? Naman siyang alright, let's stop na lang. Breaking that peak. So, pinataas ng stock natin, may kita natin kung ano yung pinaka-current. So, working that. So, working that ad. Matagal yata ito 20 minutes na tayo. Ano tayong length plus na to. So, anyway. So, while meron pang laman yung stock, working that is empty. As long as hindi pa siya empty. Ayoko dito sa Java. Well, essentially as sa whole sa mga non-functional programming, medyo madaling maggawa ng bad code. Anyway, cares about that. So level. So working instead of working. Chain length, get working week. As long as chain length is less than natin yung pinataas. Equals top is less than limit. Kasi pwede tayo magpas dun sa limit eh. if so kung meron na, tuto na tayo. So when you pop, can't stop. Ayoko lang kung magkaroon ng infinite loop tayo. Ang bagal ng pag 1 million bumabagal siya. May infinite loop. Magal siya sa 200,000. There's a bug in our code. I see the problem. Ay, wala atong find replace. Find replace ba to? No, wala siya. Ayan. Nagkaroon lang tayo ng problema dun sa overflow. And it cost us to produce this crazy shit. Anyway, check lang natin. Kasi natin ito. Tangina, 30 minutes yun ah. Kalokohan. Alright. Tanggal natin dito. So, 83777999. 83779999. Tama. Anyway, yun lang. Medyo natagalan lang tayo kasi we didn't take into account yung overflow. Kasi, kaya nga, yung mga early videos ko, long talaga gamit ko kasi may, hindi siya gaya ng Ruby na automatically siya nag-handle ng overflow. Ano ba tawag doon? Kalimutan ko yung term. Anyway, so yun. So this is problem 14. 30 minutes tayo according to my recorder. So, yeah. Stop na lang tayo rito. Proceed na lang tayo later. Kung may time ako mamaya. Okay, so this is Bri signing off for this recording.